Hi, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for having me here. It's really pleasure to have a great to this opportunity to discuss on the topic which is a very fascinating domain, that is the space technologies. So before exploring this infinite space, let me start with my journey where I come so far, that is holds infinite opportunities and hurdles at the same time. My journey started back from like the a divine place, also known well known for the last place where the Lord Gautam Buddha rested. Anyone guess about that place? Okay. Who don't know what about that? That place is the Kushinagar, nearby the Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, where I born and brought up. I belong to a middle class family where life has its own ups and downs. Like every parents have its own goal to their children's, like they get good educations and have a better future in their journey. As same my parents have their same goal, like my child have got better education and have a better future in their journey. So that my father, who was doing job in Kolkata, take me with him to the Kolkata for and admitted in the college where I could start my schoolings. Under guidance and well acknowledgement, I complete my the schoolings there. But during my high school exams, a certain very moment comes. It's a turning point of my life happened. The company in which we were doing job, it was shut down, and suddenly it's come like the point we had to move from Kolkata to home. But I was only alone there. You know that the moment when you have to start the things from scratch, and all the responsibility come on the very younger age, on the 16 age when I was there. I completed and excelled my academics because that is the only things which I can excel in my career. I focus a lot on my education and completed in the star ranks from all over West Bengal board. I come back home again, that was my village in the Kushinagar, and thinking about that, what is my dream? What is the future where I can do something better? And as like every children who are here and beside that have a dream and excitement about the space, galaxies and the stars. Similarly, like I am also very passionate about that space and galaxies. You know, like when you are sitting and sleep on the roof on the in the night sky, sitting the stars, it's like a feeling to go and explore that space. Similarly, I have very passionate about that. But if you go inside, it's very rare to go and touch the skies because it's very limited to having a become astronaut or go and learn the star in the space stuffs. I started studying in the different cosmology, astrophysics, astronomy and such subjects where I can get more learnings about the space. But the things are not happening because the dream can't be come true to going to explore the space. So there was a very turning point happened, like I spent my vision why I can't make a launch vehicle which can able to go to the space and launch human into the space. But it was the only dream. I was only the 16-year old, and I was thinking about to going into the space with the rocket. It's very a very amazing and like something very crazy thing. But I thought I am now 16 age. I am thinking about them. Definitely, if I take some steps, I can go to that. That time I completed my the senior secondary school. I come first I am very fascinated about the rocket science, and definitely I can pursue my career in that. But there was a very constant. I come in the secondary school, all of India 1% rank, and as my financial condition are not much better, but there I got a scholarship from the central government, and there is one choice I can do to go to the aerospace engineering college and do better education in the space technology and come work into the aerospace. But the dream can't be true because that fellowship only applicable to the BSc and a pure science students. I thought, what should be the next? I take the step I can't give my dream because it's the passion which I started from the 10th year age. And after a couple of years, I thought I can take the BSc, but simultaneously I will work something which can be able to pursue my dreams. That time, a very eureka moment happened in my life. I was in the graduation first year, and I thought I will build the startup in this phase where we'll build the rockets and we'll build the technology where the humans can go to the space. I in 2020 it's happened, the Corona COVID comes but like very sudden, all the things have been got changed. I was in my first year and second year college, understanding how my future will be there. And after some times, I got an invitation from the ISRO, where they are describing have to explore how the space technology will come to the picture and how the challenges will be coming like as a startup phase. That time, on June 2020, government has launched a new policies like a startup can work in the space technology. Before that, space technology and defense in the sector were the very precise and confidential for the government body. But government has opened the sectors and small young players can come to this sector and work into the exploration of the space technologies. That time I thought like it is the time where we start and go into the space exploration. I started exploring how can I build this startup and grow it that. I was in the second year of my college and I thought there was a very good lesson I got like from Ratan Dada sir. If you want to go alone, if you want to like go for like small place, you go alone and have to go faster than that. But if you want to go very far, you build a team and collect the collective experience to build that team. I started building a team at the age of 19 and I taken 300 interviews where PhD holders, master holders coming and exploring. I also want to work in this space technologies. Like that time, I have been come like we are able to build a team from different aerospace engineering college, mechanical domain students, and we build things like this is our company which we will build up rockets in the future. And I was that time the second year and third year student. After 1 year, I found we have the first foundations. That was the COVID time. We have launched our model rockets. We have go into different space education programs. But after some time, I realized I have to make a rockets. I can't stay there on that. And after some time, I find out there's a reusable launch vehicle concept come into my mind. A reusable launch vehicle is the simple things. Let's, for example, I am coming from now Hyderabad from a flight and to Delhi. And imagine if the flight never happened back again. It go to the dispose and never used again. A same thing happening now in our India. We build a launch vehicle and rocket and launch one times and never use again. So you can think how much resources and the cost is involving in such a launch vehicles. That's the idea I come and I have to explore we will build the reusable launch vehicle that can launch and have to be launched again and again for the multiple times. So coming so far these technologies thank you so much. So coming for these technologies, what we have built it earlier, we have there's a mechanism called vertical takeoff and vertical landing. We launch a rocket and land back again. And this technology only cracked by the SpaceX and Blue Origin if you know the USA's. And it's still a long gap in the whole world is still the technologies you have to adopt. We started working on that and a couple of 1 year's experience, we go hard core research of this technology and how can we build in the India. And that time I completed my graduations. I was the time have to take further my graduations and master degrees. But there are the things I don't want to pursue because they're the more responsibility on my hand. On the 20 years old, I was holding more than 20 members team in my company as a startup. I thought I will continue my masters, but there the point there the financial conditions comes. I was getting the scholarship from the central government and I was using all this money to build this startup. That time I thought I will continue the masters and suddenly I'll put all money in my startup. And I continue that things further. And this 2021, that 2022 comes where I realized we have to go beyond building the launch vehicles to space. So we thought we have to be moved because we are only the launch vehicle company in Uttar Pradesh. We are recognized by the Chief Minister Award. We got recognition from ISRO. Also we have partnered with ISRO for developing these technologies. After that 2020 we got I was in the second year of the masters and we have to plan we have to go through and build this technology on hand because we have ready the designs, ready the simulations, ready the research and all. So there's a time I have to take very hard decisions. We have to be moved from a UP to Hyderabad where we got facility to building and all. Because one thing happens we always have to choose growth over comfort zone. We are getting comfort zone there, but we are not getting the growth as we like to build the launch vehicles. After moving to Hyderabad, we got different government grants and all. We got government intelligence and private involved and do the partnership with them. And now I think I will definitely say we built India's first mobile engine testing facility on our own from the scratch. And only this is like only all the students who are like 25 years age, and we are building the rocket science. All people say like it is the rocket science, the world's toughest subjects which are dealing with that, and all the students are doing with such a very large scale. We have a plan to build the 3 launch vehicles. One is the reusable sounding rocket, second is the small reusable launch vehicle, and 3 is the medium reusable launch vehicle. And all have the different specifications and different applications. You know, very long back there's the biggest debate, like if in our earth there's the different problems, so why we are investing millions and millions of dollars into the space technologies? But the debates were only that level. A number of people are not aware about the space applications why we are building that technologies. Let's see, we have the mobile phones. We use internet data and all. But how it comes? It all comes from the satellite technologies, and that is the space ecosystem. We are able to telecommunicate from the long places and here and there. We have like now getting the weather forecasting data, meteorological data, and that is very helpful for growing the ecosystem from agriculture to technology to the telecommunications. And that is the space application involved from the $1 billion market. And after like we have also like built our small launch vehicles, we are going to the space in the next year. So that is the phase we have covered a number of things. That is rocket science is not rocket science. We can build from scratch. And that age was also the matters when 25, all the people who are 25 below and building such a technology which also ISRO is recognizing us. After this phase, like we thought like we have to go involved, like because the space is to be sustainable. If we are putting a number of things, like say by 2013, more than 45,000 satellites will be launching to the space. So how much if we build only the conventional rockets one time use and go into the space and we have to burn out in the atmosphere. So the need, the sustainability comes so far like we will build such vehicle to launch into the space and we'll be back again. And that is technology we are tracking here like to be building the such environments and the technology in India. After that phase, I come so far like why the next of the phases like have to be happen. Like because the technology will be cracking now by then and how to move off the forward. We have partnered with ISROs and different like commercial companies who can build technologies. So in that age, I found out like having so far in this very small journey, I cracked 5 years journey to 20 years experience in that part. And now moving ahead, like if you can say like, because success is the part we never get excused. You can say something I am not able to do, not able to do. Okay, but ultimately it is getting excused. Because I say like age is just a number. If we are evolving ourselves and want to do something different, we have to think beyond that. Because age, we have never should like to that age should not dictate like what we can do and what we can do. So that is my lessons like we have to be explore this space, and I will definitely see in a couple of years we will going to launch into the space in the rocket into the space, and that is the things happen. Thank you so much.